you have a little parking. अभी भी इधर road है, so उसको थोड़ा अच्छा develop करके systematically you can park some cars 75 and one site museum where you talk about the glory of the British College, both Golconda and here, and then this will be a point where people come in, park and then walk to Golconda, walk here. And one little amphitheater, क्योंकि अभी जैसे कल भी एक म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल हुआ अंदर, but it happens very haphazardly. So to in the Deccan Park area, provide a cultural कवाली वगैरह हमने खुसरो साहब के बहुत काम किया है निजामुद्दीन में. So all of that.
I would like you to this is important, not only for tourist facilities, but both for national and foreign tourists, but it's also an institution that would have a cultural value, and it would be the introduction to the whole area. Perhaps we visit the cultural sites in the whole state. We are building at this moment in an underground museum of this type, a visitor center in the Humayun site in Delhi.
I requested sir to spend some time with us in Delhi. Commissioner Saab kindly came and spent 2 hours with us in Delhi.
Just to have like what is happening in there. Storms भी नहीं दिखे ना?
अभी साथ
So this is the plans, and we have been developing this phase, which is very advanced. And it's going to be sequential. I think it's important to look at the whole ensemble as a single
This was the plan that was signed in Delhi. And so this is what we want to implement. In 2012-11 में काफी बात हुई थी इसके बारे में. तो टाइम निकल गया. पिछले कुछ कोर्ट केस हो गए. Landscape is start working on this area. Then in 2015 we had proposed to the government of India that provide some funds. So Mr. Jaitley in his speech had mentioned Qutub Shahid 2015. So we're trying to get funds to build the interpretation center and build some of these facilities. So the funds will go to the Telangana Tourism Corporation, and we're providing technical advice and so on. So this is the overall vision, sir. Before we started the project, so we made 2 years of work and 2,000 plus drawings to understand the site. Because you can't get in and then start thinking about it. So अगर आपके पास समय हो तो we'll show you some of the conservation works.
No, sure, we'll see. I had met your people.
Yeah,
He was there and he was also there. We had a meeting. So just a few changes I was just requesting them if it's possible. And again the Commissioner Saab is also here.
Sure.
So I think if he would consider and Honorable MP Saab and...
Sir, after all we're doing it for you, sir.
That's what I mean. You know what happens with that? Right now, if we have to see Charminar, it gets thousands of visitors every day. And the problem is that we don't have the basic amenities facilities also out there. So many tourists are coming, and from there they just take a walk towards Chaumala Palace and that Lal Bazaar, and they go. So last Sunday, I believe we had some 26,000. So I just
approximately, right?
Yeah.
Only increases.
It's just increasing, and holidays time also.
यहाँ भी बहुत लोग आते हैं.
So I just keep a watch on that. How much the tourists is increasing.
Absolutely.
So every Sunday I just get the information from there. So probably this area will also, after you take up this work and everything,
and we expect at least 1 million visitors every year.
So my only concern is that I really do think we need to have a good proper parking space, and also the auditorium or some cultural activities center which you were mentioning about. But the only thing my concern was that the moment the people enter this site, I do not want them to be greeted by the car parking nor with anything else. So I was just requesting opposite the other side. Other side is the Government of India land, and it's just litigation free. If we all can just pursue and request the Government of India to allot some land, and after that land is allotted, so we can मिल जाता सब कोई मसला नहीं है उसमें.
So actually you're right. This parking
वो कोशिश करके देखते हैं. अगर नहीं होता है तो फिर जब देखते हैं, because what my idea, my thinking is that we can have some parking, and at the same time we can have some a bazaar type,
Yeah, absolutely.
Retail area. Recreate the old ambience.
Right. We have this Bengal bazaar of Lal Bazaar, Pearl Bazaar, and all that. वो सारी चीजें we can यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. The tourists who come here, if they don't want to go to Lal Bazaar, they can do something. So it will really create some livelihood also for the people.